Want to see how we roast millions of beans for your morning cup? Smash that like button and subscribe right now.
From the lush green plantations to our state-of-the-art roastery, we ensure every bean meets the highest standard. From the misty slopes of the Andes to our state-of-the-art facility, we oversee every step of the process. Thousands of vibrant berries swirling in crystal clear water, the first step in a journey culminating in the perfect cup. We oversee the entire process, from the massive drying patios to the moment the perfect roast is brewed, ensuring From the lush hillsides to the most advanced roastery in the world, we bring the finest beans to our customers.
It's a massive operation. Our partners carefully manage the beans here before they head to the roastery to become that perfect cup of coffee.
From the lush green fields to these towering steel guardians, we ensure only the finest.
The temperature is holding steady at 220 degrees Celsius.
Good, the aroma profile is developing nicely.
In this giant-scale production, the freshly roasted beans tumble into the cooling tray, where the rotating arms prepare them for the final brew.
Here at the facility, we process thousands of pounds of beans every hour, ensuring that signature Starbucks quality.
From the lush green mountainsides to our modern roastery, we carefully blend the finest coffee with a swirl.
The master taster aerates the coffee, allowing the volatile aromatics to reach the back of the palate.
The aeration is crucial. It unlocks the volatile aromatics. This batch has notes of caramel and a hint of citrus.
From the lush green plantation to the modern roastery, every bean is handled with care, ensuring the perfect cup every time. Witness the journey from the heart of the plantation to the precise art of roasting. Only then can we deliver this moment of perfection. Witness the journey of our coffee, carefully cultivated and roasted to perfection by our dedicated team.